This is something I wanted to do for a long time, but I was never able to do it. Finally, I was able to save over the past few months and slowly buy parts, inverter, battery, and all the little extra accessory to put this solar power project together. I'm gonna have two of those inverter that can produce 5 kilowatt each, and for now I have two 5K battery, and I have a total of 19 solar, but right now I only put 4 of them outside because this is just a temporary setup to start playing with it. Nothing is permanent. Those are the two battery. Each of them is 5.12 kilowatt hour. .51 volt, 100 amp each. I did order those battery from Alibaba. So far they are working as advertised. I am really happy with the quality of it. And I'm gonna have a total of 3 transfer switch. Each of them have 6 breaker in them. And those are the 4 solar panel I'm using right now. Each of them are about 405 watt. I have a total of 19 of them. The final plan is to build a shed at the corner and put all of them on top. I will leave link in the description below if you're interested in knowing what part I use for this solar project. I am able to monitor this on my phone, but I had to buy a Wi-Fi module. Each inverter requires a Wi-Fi module. This is how much solar I got for the day. And it is about noon right now, a little afternoon. It's only 12:17 and I already got close to 4 kilowatt with only those 4 solar panel. I am really happy with how those solar panel are performing. Thank you for coming to my channel. Have a good one.